Hey, what's up guys? It's me Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we're making this delicious beef stew just in time for the winter, honey. Let's get started guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. We're gonna go ahead by searing or browning our meat. I just seasoned it with a little bit of black pepper and some salt, and you're going to sear on both sides until golden brown to your liking, honey. That should take about 5 minutes on each side. Once the other side is done, you want to flip it over and get some browning on the other side. When you're satisfied with the browning on the meat, you can go ahead and put it aside. In the same pan, you're going to add your vegetables, which are your onions, carrots, and some celery. You're gonna go ahead and give that a toss and saute for about 2 minutes, just until you can see them sweat a little bit. Then you're gonna go ahead with your tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can substitute that for tomato sauce or ketchup, honey. And for the herbs, we're using some thyme, some rosemary, and sage. You can go ahead and use any spice of your choice. I did use the spicy one, so my stew was a little bit, with a hint of spicy, honey, but that is absolutely optional. You can use any other spice that you like. Go ahead and mix that through, and you want to let the vegetables absorb the color of the tomato paste. Then you're gonna go ahead and simmer that for another 2 to 5 minutes. Once simmered down, you're gonna go ahead and add your crushed garlic and ginger paste. You can also use the fresh ones, honey, if you prefer. Then you're gonna go ahead and add a few splashes of the Worcestershire sauce. For some freshness, you're gonna go ahead and add your roughly chopped coriander, fresh coriander, honey, and some beef stock. If you want to use liquid broth, then you can absolutely leave out the beef stock. Once mixed through, you're gonna go ahead and add your red wine. You can either use Merlot or Shiraz. Those two would work perfectly fine with this dish, honey. Once you've simmered that down for about 2 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and add your water. At this point, remember, if you're gonna use liquid broth, then you don't have to use water. And remember, honey, you can always cook from the heart, and it's going to be delicious anyway. Because I truly believe that measurements are for aesthetics. You're gonna give it a toss and put back the meat in there. The amount of stock and water that you add into there will be proportionate to the amount of beef used. I will try to leave the approximate ingredients and measurements in the description box down below, so you can find it in there. Then you're gonna go ahead and toss it around, close the pan or pot, and you're gonna simmer it down for another 2 to 3 hours, depending on how tender you want your meat. That is how it's looking at this point. It's delicious and ready to indulge, but I took it a step further and I cooked my dumplings in there. Now if you want it juicy like this, honey, you can go ahead and serve with some rice or pap, whatever you're having, but I simmered my steamed bread in there. Ooh, honey, so you know that it will suck up all of those juices, and it's beautiful, it's tender. If you want a recipe of these dumplings, be sure to be subscribed, turn on the notification bells, and I'll see you on the next one.